The Sonos Ace represents what many believe the AirPods Max should have been. Unfortunately for Apple, Sonos has outdone them with this new product. The Sonos Ace is a premium set of over-the-ear headphones, marking Sonos's first foray into this category. They have successfully addressed many of the criticisms directed at the AirPods and AirPods Max. Starting with the design, while the AirPods Max have a popular aesthetic, they suffer from some design flaws related to fit and comfort. Sonos opted for a more classic design with less premium materials on the ear cups. Although these materials may not have the luxurious feel of the AirPods Max's aluminum, they contribute to a remarkably comfortable fit. The Sonos Ace does not exert excessive pressure on the sides of the head and is lighter due to the minimal use of heavy aluminum. The headband design is more traditional, featuring high-quality leather for both the headband and the ear cups, providing a premium feel without compromising comfort. The adjustable part of the band incorporates stainless steel, giving it a sturdy yet sleek telescopic look, similar to the AirPods Max. This mechanism allows for easy adjustment, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for any head size. On the right ear cup, there is a discrete logo along with several functional buttons. This subtle branding, combined with practical design choices, makes the Sonos Ace not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional and user-friendly. Now, there's only one button that can handle multiple functions. By sliding up or down, you adjust the volume. Pressing the button will play or pause your audio. Press it twice to skip forward a track and 3 times to skip back. There's also an additional button for toggling between active noise cancellation and aware mode. The active noise cancellation feature is particularly impressive. During the demonstration, the Sonos team played very loud white noise, mimicking the sound of a plane engine or a bustling environment like a coffee shop or airport. They used a pair of Era 300s, which can produce a significant amount of sound in a small space. When active noise cancellation was activated, the loud noise vanished almost instantly, showcasing its effectiveness. This was, of course, in a controlled environment, but it gave a strong indication of the potential performance in real-world scenarios. The audio quality is equally noteworthy, especially when listening to music. During the brief test, the sound was exceptionally good. The headphones support Dolby Atmos audio and lossless music, which you can listen to via Bluetooth or USB-C if you have an Android device with the new Snapdragon chip. This feature allows for high-fidelity audio, including spatial audio, which is particularly beneficial when watching content. One of the standout features of these headphones is their ability to deliver such high-quality sound. Additionally, you can pair the headphones with an app, although it's not mandatory since they can pair traditionally via Bluetooth with your phone. For iPhone users, downloading the Sonos app offers enhanced customization options. Through the app, you can adjust and personalize your listening experience, especially using the adjustable EQ. If the default sound profile doesn't suit your preferences, the EQ allows you to fine-tune the audio to your liking, ensuring the best possible listening experience. Let's delve deeper into the whole home theater experience with Sonos, renowned for its superior whole home speakers that operate via Wi-Fi, exceptional soundbars, and various TV-compatible audio solutions. A standout feature is the TV audio swap functionality. By pressing and holding the content key on the right ear cup, you can instantly switch audio from your home theater setup directly to your headphones. Initially, this feature is exclusive to the Sonos Arc soundbar, but it will soon extend to both generations of the Sonos Beam and the Sonos Ray soundbars. This feature ensures seamless audio transition with negligible latency, maintaining superb spatial sound quality, Dolby Atmos support, and head tracking capabilities. It provides a listening experience comparable to using AirPods Max with an Apple TV, but now it's available with the Sonos Arc soundbar and can be extended to iOS devices such as iPads and iPhones. Later this year, Sonos plans to update the Ace headphones to incorporate their groundbreaking True Cinema technology. This innovation will accurately map your room and create an immersive surround sound environment tailored for individual listening. Imagine being alone at home, but experiencing a full surround sound setup meticulously mapped to your space, delivering an astonishingly immersive audio experience. Similar to the AirPods Max, these headphones feature magnetic, adjustable ear cups that can be easily swapped out. They come with a slim yet robust protective case. Although the headphones don't fold, they are designed to lay flat for convenient storage. Sonos intentionally avoided foldable components to reduce the risk of mechanical failure, which is a common issue with folding headphones. Despite their non-foldable design, the protective pouch is highly practical, offering excellent protection and including compartments for cables and other accessories, all secured within a magnetic pouch. Oh, and of course, Sonos claims about 30 hours of battery life with ANC, active noise cancellation on, which feels like it is really good. For reference, with the AirPods Max, you get 20 hours of listening with active noise cancellation and spatial audio on. That means the Sonos headphones offer an additional 10 hours of battery life, which is a pretty substantial increase. Additionally, you get 3 hours of battery life with just 3 minutes of charging, providing a quick boost when you need it, which is a nice touch. However, these headphones do come with a higher price tag. They start at $449, which is significantly more expensive than many other headphones on the market. Typically, other high-quality headphones are priced around $349, and they often get discounted to $249. In comparison, the AirPods Max were priced at $549 at launch, positioning them as a very premium set of headphones. The AirPods Max offers additional functionality, such as seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem and features like spatial audio and advanced connectivity options. The Sonos Ace headphones also come in a couple of different colors, classic black and soft white, allowing some choice in style. They will be available starting on June 5th. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. How do you feel about Sonos's first attempt at headphones? Do you like the features they offer, especially the integration with Sonos's home audio systems and TV setup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.